These are near-field speakers from Bestizan, as in Best Artisan. Near-field means that they are larger and fancier than computer speakers, but are not large enough to be called bookshelf speakers or wall-mounted speakers. You need some space behind them to connect your music sources and to be able to turn the speakers on, because the power switch is also on the back. But you don't need to do it manually every time. There is a remote control. They have two stereo line inputs, a USB port, and can also be connected to via Bluetooth. Because they are powered, they do not require a separate power amplifier. Instead, they come with a small AC adapter. There is no built-in battery. You can control bass and treble with separate knobs on the side of the right speaker, and there is a knob to adjust the volume and select music sources if you don't want to use the remote. The speakers can go quite loud. The right speaker rattled at high volume and with a lot of bass. I'm not sure whether I should send it back to replacement. If you want to go with slightly better known brand, the $100 edifiers do not have Bluetooth connectivity. For Bluetooth you need to get the R1280DB, which costs $130. If you want to get your small speakers from a well-established brand, then for this money you can buy a pair of Polks with a larger driver, non-powered, non-Bluetooth enabled. Or you can get a pair of Klipsch, also non-powered and without Bluetooth connectivity. Klipsch does make powered Bluetooth-enabled near-field speakers, but they cost $400, although the last time I visited this page they were offered for $300. So all in all, the Bestizan speakers seem to offer a lot of features for below $100 price, in attractive cabinets that match my son's desk. He said they're also pretty good for gaming. That is all for today. Please subscribe to be notified of my new videos. Goodbye!